In today's fast-paced life sciences industry, manufacturers face rising pressure to deliver drug therapies faster, safer, and more sustainably, all while meeting strict regulatory and quality demands. With advanced measurement instrumentation and deep industry expertise, Emerson supports drug manufacturers across the 5 critical drivers shaping the future of life sciences. Accelerate pipelines with precision measurements that speed development and scale up, helping bring therapies to market faster. Enable flexible manufacturing with advanced diagnostics to detect process interruptions and seamlessly pivot between products and batch sizes. Ensure operational integrity with reliable instrumentation that safeguards product quality and maintains compliance. Achieve real-time release by eliminating traditional testing delays through continuous monitoring and advanced analytics. Advance sustainable manufacturing with intelligent devices that reduce waste, optimize energy use, and support your environmental goals. Digital transformation is reshaping life sciences manufacturing, driving smarter decisions, faster responses, and greater connectivity. By partnering with Emerson, manufacturers gain the data they need, when and where they need it, empowering innovation and agility across the entire life cycle.